Let's start with the foundation. Rev Matching. Every gear has a specific engine speed that matches your road speed. If you downshift without adjusting it, the car will startle, and that happens because the engine suddenly needs to speed up. But if you blip the gas just right, the whole shift sequence will become seamless and it will just feel really good. It will feel right. Imagine two dancers trying to dance with each other and they just synchronize. This is how it will feel like. And this is basically what rev matching does. It creates harmony between engine and the wheels. Now it starts to get fun with heel and toe. Usually it is a technique that is used in racing or when you're in a spirited drive on a canyon or whatever, and it's basically you need to rev match while you're braking. Let's say you see a corner and you're in fourth gear, but this is a corner to be taken in second gear to stay in the power band, right? And also you don't want to upset the car. So what you do is you press the brake, and when the gear change is coming from fourth to third while slowing down, with the heel or with the side of your foot, you give it a blip of gas. But once you master this, it just flows. It feels like second nature. And then when you finish braking and you're in the point in the corner where you have to accelerate out again, you're in the right gear, in the right power band, the right RPMs. You can take as much speed out of the corner as you can. No, it really gets complicated, but a point in advance, you do not need that nowadays. Ever since transmissions are synchronized, which is like since the 1960s, you do not need to double clutch for a downshift. The synchronizers will do the work. But, keeping this technique alive is also paying respect to the mechanical part of driving. And doing this technique right, the downshift is extremely smooth. The gear will just flush in. And it's also good for the transmission, providing you're doing it right. It's like rev matching, but in this case, you try to speed the internals of the gearbox as well. How do you do this? Now, heel and toe and double clutching. This is the craziest of them all. This is combining all of it in a complete dance. This is hard to do, and you do not need that at all for daily driving. You're basically braking, shifting, blipping twice while keeping the car balanced all at once. It's the perfect dance between man and machine, but when you know how to do it, you realize you will never use it. Now the next thing is not something that you can do only in a manual, you can also do it in a automatic. but it's really cool to see. You know, I'm talking about left foot braking. Used mostly in rallying or on track, and it helps control the car mid-corner. It is also another technique that you will never use in normal driving, but it's pretty fun to do. This technique is also used if you want to be faster on the gas pedal, back on the gas pedal when you're in the middle of the corner. Then this transition time from pressing with the right foot on the brake to the gas pedal is missing because you're already on the gas. It maybe shaves up a millisecond, but it's cool. If you try to learn that, do it on an empty parking lot. And no one should be behind you. You will lock up. Your left foot has absolutely no feeling at all. And if you can and have a simulator, try it there first. Or go-karting. This is also how you could learn this, because you use your left foot to brake on a go-kart. Do not use it on normal street driving, because if you start panicking because of some emergency situation, you will confuse your legs. You will try to brake with both feet. So don't let these skills fade away. Keep them alive. One perfect shift at a time. And if you liked what you saw, don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.